and welcome to the Housing.com project webinar. Today in focus are 3 Gurgaon-based ready-to-move-in properties by Godrej Properties Limited. Here to give us more information on these projects, we are joined by panelists Priyanka Sajnani, who's the sales head for Godrej Oasis. Priyanka, I hope you can see us and hear us. Anyway, moving on, we have Prashant Kshatriya, who's the sales head for Godrej Arya. Hi, Prashant.
Hi.
Sumit Khatri is the sales head for Godrej Summit. So welcome all of you. We're excited about the information that you'll be sharing with us today. I think before we get on to the project related questions, I think this is an excellent opportunity for all of us to get a slightly better idea about the brand that is Godrej. So Prashant, I'd request you to sort of lead us through, the brand values that make Godrej the brand that it is today.
Sure. Thank you, Timur. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is safe and sound. So Godrej as a brand, we are 123-year young company. Yes, you have heard it right. We are young. Established in 1897, the Godrej Group has its root in India's independence and Swadeshi movement. Today, we enjoy the patronage of 1.1 billion consumers globally across consumer goods, real estate, appliances, agriculture, and many other businesses. In fact, our geographical footprint extends beyond Earth, with our engines now powering many of India's space missions. With a revenue of over 4.1 billion US, we are growing fast and have exciting, ambitious aspiration. Our vision for 2020 is to be 10 times the size we are in 2010. I would request my colleague Puneet, if you can just show a video about our legacy, what we have done in past and what we are doing now. Please, Puneet, if you can show that video.
When in 1897 we started manufacturing locks, we weren't just making in India. We were envisioning a self-reliant India. When in 1920 we manufactured soap from vegetable oil, we weren't just making in India. We were showing the world a humane way to meet human needs. When in 1951 we built India's first ballot boxes, we weren't just making in India. We were partaking in India's journey towards becoming the world's largest democracy. When in 1955 we made Asia's first typewriters, we weren't just making in India. We were contributing to the nation's mission of propelling women into the workforce. When in 1958, we made refrigerators, we weren't just making in India. We were supporting the movement of freeing women from the kitchen. When in 1984, we introduced mosquito repellent mats, we weren't just making in India. We were contributing towards making India free from vector-borne diseases. When in 1991 we started making products that sustainably increased crop yields, we weren't just making in India. We were doing our bit to help farmers double their income. When in 2010 we committed that each of our real estate developments would be certified green projects, we weren't just making in India. We were doing our bit to make sustainability a way of urban living. When in 2013, we made key components for India's first Mars mission. We weren't just making in India. We were participating in Free India's most glorious moment. For over 120 years, during the journey of our nation's independence, we haven't just been making in India. We have been passionately doing our bit towards making India.
Wow, so I think this definitely gives us a much clearer idea of Godrej as a brand. So now I'm going to move on to Godrej Properties, because that's what we're all here for. So I know that, Godrej is one of the few companies, that has a national portfolio of projects. You're present in almost every major city in the country. You also have a major presence in the NCR market. So Priyanka, if technical difficulties, do you think you could sort of give us some idea about the kind of projects that Godrej has in the NCR market?
Hi everyone. Audible? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
So can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. I hope everyone is staying safe and sound. Thanks, Prashant, for giving me an opportunity to talk about our present.
I think there is some issue with Priyanka's audio. I'm not able to hear it.
So Sumit, I will hand over the question to you.
Yeah.
So please lead us through the
Let me check again.
NCR
My audio is can you hear me? Yeah, is I'm audible, Jumar?
Yeah, Priyanka, please go on.
Thank you so much, guys. So I was talking about the way my colleague Prashant very well shared a legacy of Godrej to all of you. I would like to give you details about Godrej's presence in North Zone. So can I have a slide, Puneet? Can I have a slide?
Yeah. Puneet? Puneet, can we have the NCR presentation?
Yeah, thank you so much, Puneet, for sharing this. So as all of can see that we are in Delhi NCR, almost all across in Noida, Gurgaon, and Delhi. So we are established in the North Zone more than 10 years, and we have approximately 13 projects spread across Delhi NCR. And as Godrej is majorly into residential commercial project in Chandigarh by the name of Eternia, and that project is also delivered in this committed time. And as about Delhi NCR, if I will share you about the details, we are majorly into residential project, and we have delivered almost 6 projects in Delhi NCR. And so starting from Noida to Delhi to Gurgaon, we have 13 projects across, which you can very well see in the slide. And today we are here about our ready to move in project that is in especially in Gurgaon. And so over to my colleague Prashant, who will share you about the project which he is taking care in Sector 79 by the name of Arya N101. Over to you, Prashant.
Yeah.
Thank you, Priyanka. So I am talking about Godrej Arya here. Godrej Arya is in Sector 79. Spread across in about 6.6 acres with 386 apartments. So basically it's a low density project. You can say it's a low density project and surrounded by 2 different connecting highways, which is NH8 and SPR. It is directly connected to Southern Peripheral Road and NH8 both. Just a 2-minute drive from our project, and also surrounded by 5 major golf courses. So you can say our project is a new golf course road in Gurgaon. By the name of Karma Lakeland, ITC Golf Resort, and Tarudan Valley. So these are few names which I can take in terms of golf course, which is around our project, which is in Sector 79. Can I have a next slide, Puneet? So as I mentioned earlier, Godrej Arya is in 6.6 acre and with 386 apartments. We have in total 6 stars and 15,000 square feet of clubhouse with all the amenities. There's a semi-Olympic size pool with a big sun deck view. Apart from that, we have squash court, indoor squash court. We have a gymnasium, spa, saloon. We have lawn tennis court. We have basketball court. So all sports amenities are there in our project. There's a primary school as well. We do have a primary school land available in our project. So this is a brief about Sector 79 Godrej Arya. I would request Priyanka now to talk about Godrej Oasis. Priyanka, if you can take over.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So as my audience can see, this beautiful society, Godrej Oasis, this is situated in Sector 88A. This is adjacent to upcoming commercial sector, Sector 88. So the direct connectivity from this project is to all the 3 major highways like Dwarka Expressway, KMP, and NH8. And this is a prime location, which is very strategically connected with these commercial hubs and the employment sectors. With its best-in-class construction quality and luxurious club amenities, this project is offering a premium specifications also, like modular kitchen and Italian marble and wooden flooring, which we just dream of that we should have in our dream home. So way, and it's having a very good connectivity to airport too. So as you all can see, can I have a next slide also? So see that this is a layout plan of Godrej Oasis. I hope everybody can see that our towers are like designed in such a way that clubhouse we are having approximately 306 apartments in these. So this is a low density with high specs project. So this is about there's a give you the insight about the project he is taking care, and that is project Godrej Summit in Sector 1.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Hope all of you are keeping safe and doing good under the current market scenarios. So instead of taking only through the project Godrej Summit, I'd just like to brief you a little about the portfolio. So अगर आप में से किसी की भी requirement है घर की, so Godrej is a brand, or rather Godrej is a platform जहां आपकी हर requirement fulfill हो रही है. So irrespective कि आपको दिल्ली में घर चाहिए, irrespective आपको नोएडा में चाहिए, गुड़गांव में चाहिए, आपको गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड पे चाहिए, southern periphery, we have got presence across these locations in the city, in the entire NCR portfolio. So not only about Summit, Summit is in part of our portfolio, which is in Sector 104 Gurgaon. This is very well connected with Dwarka Expressway, which is an upcoming 150-meter wide corridor, जो आपका मानेसर टोल प्लाजा से दिल्ली, द्वारका and South Delhi के prominent areas को connect करता है. We are placed right next to, or say in close proximity to, the airport, which is T3 terminal of Indira Gandhi Airport. और ये सारा signal free corridor के through connected है. So it's a strategically located product. Moving forward to the next slide, Godrej Summit is a 22-acre development. अब इस 22 एकड़ में जहां कोई भी डेवलपर एक FAR या एक डेंसिटी का यूज करके इजीली 1500-1600 अपार्टमेंट्स बना सकता है. We have restricted ourselves to create more of open spaces. So मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि हमने सिर्फ घर बनाने पे फोकस किया, हमने एक लाइफस्टाइल बनाने पे फोकस किया है. We wanted this to be a flagship development of our portfolio, जहाँ 70% से ज़्यादा open and green spaces है, and our number of apartments are barely close to about 1170. तो सिर्फ 1150 प्लस apartments है 22 एकड़ में. Happens to be one of the lowest around. आपका 15,000 स्क्वायर फीट का क्लब हाउस है, जिसमें आपके सारे रिक्रिएशनल जोन से लेके एंटरटेनमेंट जोन्स ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल है. You already have close to about 400 families living in this project. हमारे पास इस प्रोजेक्ट में 2 bedroom plus study से लेके 4 bedroom plus study plus utility तक के ऑप्शंस है, which will definitely discuss going forward with the presentation. So moving ahead in the presentation itself, Puneet, can we have the next slide, please? So in the meantime, my colleague, yeah, so here it is. These are all these 3 projects. आज का एजेंडा हम लोगों का कनेक्ट करने का था कि हमने एक एक्सक्लूसिव स्कीम अनवील की है, एक लॉन्च की है हमारे प्रिविलेज कस्टमर्स के लिए, हमारे एस्टीम्ड बायर्स के लिए, which is in these 3 projects. हमारा ready to move in portfolio है. So as Priyanka very well mentioned, we have close to about 15 projects in our NCR portfolio, जिसमें से ये 3 projects हैं जो ready to move in है. आप आज apartment खरीदिए, within next 1 month or 2 months you'll be able to move inside the apartment. Apartments are in a ready state. तो उसके अंदर Godrej Oasis, Godrej Summit, Godrej Aria, इन तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स में करंट मार्केट सिनेरियो को देखते हुए, हमारे कस्टमर्स की रिक्वेस्ट को देखते हुए, उनकी डिमांड और रिक्वायरमेंट्स को देखते हुए हमने एक एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफर अनवील किया, व्हिच इज 10 days 10 ऑफर्स. अब वो 10 ऑफर्स क्या है, आई विल टेक यू टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड टू ब्रीफ यू इन डिटेल अबाउट दोस 10 ऑफर्स. So Puneet, can I have the next slide, please? सो नॉर्मली आज की डेट में एज ए लेमैन अगर मैं भी घर खरीदने जाता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि आज मार्केट इतना अच्छा नहीं है, मे बी क्योंकि एक ह्यूमन परसेप्शन है, साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर है। 10 लोगों से आप बात करते हैं, 8 लोग कहते हैं डिस्काउंट चल रहा है मार्केट में या डिस्काउंट और आएगा। सो लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर टू ईच एंड एवरी व्यूअर ऑफ माइन, हर प्रोस्पेक्टिव बायर को मैं एक चीज इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू क्लैरिटी देना चाहूंगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। इट्स जस्ट कि दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम और दिस इज मोर ऑफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी जहां आप आज की डेट में कुछ अच्छे ऑफर्स अवेल कर सकते हैं जो मे बी 2 महीने पहले या नेक्स्ट मंथ आपको नहीं मिलेंगे। बिकॉज नाउ सिंस वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स एन अनलॉकिंग पैटर्न, हर चीज खुल गई है, हमारा लाइफस्टाइल नॉर्मल हो रहा है, हम नॉर्मल मार्केट्स में भी जा रहे हैं, मॉल्स में भी जा रहे हैं, सब चीजें कर रहे हैं लाइफस्टाइल के लिए। तो उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमने नेक्स्ट 10 डेज के लिए ये ऑफर लॉन्च किया था, विच इज बिटवीन 1st to 10th of August. Imagine yourself buying a property in these 10 days. You will save exactly 10% of the cost of property. आपने फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 1 करोड़ का कोई अपार्टमेंट खरीदा तो 10 लाख रुपए का डिस्काउंट आप उस पर अवेल कर सकते हैं अगर आप 10 अगस्त तक इस यूनिट को बुक कर रहे हैं तो। एंड दिस ऑफर, सिंस इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल ऑफर, हम सबने एक टीवी शो देखा होगा, थोड़ा कुछ टाइम पहले तक आता था, 10 का दम। So we have packaged it right. It's 10 का दम, 10% का दम है भाई। तो 10% डिस्काउंट आपको मिलता है 1 करोड़ पे 10 लाख रुपए, which is a huge saving for a common man, for a middle segment buyer जो अपनी hard earned money invest करना चाह रहा है, घर अपने लिए खरीदना चाह रहा है। And not only, we are not restricting ourselves to only this offer. इसके अलावा there is a plethora of more offers on the platter. 9 ऑफर्स और हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 size 1 price। आप घर खरीदने जाते हैं, नॉर्मली आपको कोई भी बिल्डर कहता है आप गार्डन फेसिंग लेंगे तो मैं आपसे 5 लाख ज्यादा चार्ज करूंगा, आप 1st 2nd फ्लोर लेंगे मैं ज्यादा चार्ज करूंगा। सो लेट मी से इट वेरी क्लियरली, देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्यूज। आप आउटसाइड फेसिंग यूनिट लीजिए या गार्डन फेसिंग, आप 1st फ्लोर लीजिए या टॉप फ्लोर लीजिए, आई हैव गॉट 1 size 1 price, 0 PLC on any unit। क्लब मेंबरशिप जो कि नॉर्मली कोई भी डेवलपर 2.5 लाख से लेके 4 लाख चार्ज करता है आपको, वी आर कीपिंग इट 0। So it's a free club membership for lifetime for the person who is buying in now, जो आज इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है उनके लिए ऑफर है। एक ऑफर है 5 का 1। सो नॉर्मली लोग सोचते हैं कि ये 5 का 1 ऑफर क्या है, बट इस ऑफर का एक बेनिफिट है। आज की डेट में नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, काफी डेवलपर्स आपको कहेंगे आप 1 लाख रुपए देके टोकन अमाउंट सिर्फ अपार्टमेंट होल्ड कर दीजिए। नो, वुड नॉट वांट यू टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ बाय होल्डिंग द अमाउंट और होल्डिंग द यूनिट। आप 5 लाख दीजिए, 1 लाख का एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट लीजिए इमीडिएट ऑन द स्पॉट। जितने लीडिंग बैंक्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल HDFC हो गया, आपका ICICI हो गया, सो वी हैव गॉट अ पैनल ऑफ बैंक्स ऑन बोर्ड, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं हमारे पास, जिनके थ्रू अगर आप लोन लेते हैं तो नॉर्मली जो प्रोसेसिंग फीस चार्ज करता है बैंक वो वेव्ड है। सो यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनी प्रोसेसिंग फीस फॉर द बैंक्स व्हिच आर ऑन पैनल विद अस ऑन दीज रेडी टू मूव इन प्रॉपर्टीज। इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन चार्जेस हैं, किसी भी हमारी प्रॉपर्टी में नॉर्मली 1 लाख से 2 लाख के बीच होता है, दैट्स एन एडिशनल सेविंग। वो 1 लाख से 2 लाख इसलिए मैंने कहा, आप 2 बेडरूम लेते हैं तो थोड़ा कम है, 4 बेडरूम में ज्यादा है, सो दैट्स एन एक्स्ट्रा सेविंग फॉर यू। पावर बैकअप, सो इमेजिन आज की डेट में काफी लोगों की क्वेरी होती है कि गुड़गांव में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मेजर इशू रहता है। सो वी आर ऑफरिंग इट 24/7 पावर बैकअप इन ऑल आवर डेवलपमेंट्स बाय डिफॉल्ट, एंड दैट टू एट 0 एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट। सो जस्ट रिकॉल माय वर्ड्स, 0 एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट। सेम वेज वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग फॉर कार पार्क। सो एक स्टैंडर्ड कार पार्क हमने हर अपार्टमेंट टाइपोलॉजी के साथ फिक्स किया हुआ है जिसकी कोई कॉस्ट नहीं है, which comes to you as free of cost. An additional 50,000 gift voucher, so it's an instant on spot extra discount. आप आज बुक कर रहे हैं या तो आप 50,000 का वाउचर ले लीजिए, अदरवाइज वी आर हैप्पी टू एक्सटेंड दिस एज अ डिस्काउंट इन योर प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू। फ्री रेंटल हेल्प डेस्क। अब आज की डेट में काफी लोगों की इंक्वायरी होती है कि फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम एन इन्वेस्टर, मैं पैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि मुझे फ्यूचर में प्रॉपर्टी रेंट पे डालनी है। अब वो रेंट पे डालने के लिए लोगों के माइंड में परसेप्शन है मुझे मार्केट में घूमना पड़ेगा, 10 इंक्वायरीज डालूंगा तो मेरी प्रॉपर्टी रेंट पे जाएगी। नो 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 माय फ्रेंड, इट्स नॉट दैट वे। यू सिंपली हैव टू रीच आउट टू आवर हेल्प डेस्क। हमारा हर प्रोजेक्ट का एक डेडिकेटेड रेंटल हेल्प डेस्क है, आपको जस्ट उनके साथ एक टच बेस हम कराएंगे, विल गेट इट कोऑर्डिनेटेड, दे विल हेल्प यू रेंट आउट योर प्रॉपर्टी विदाउट सिंगल पेनी ऑफ फीस। जो नॉर्मली ब्रोकरेज चार्ज करते हैं वो नहीं होगी, आपका एक भी कॉस्ट नहीं लगेगा, एंड योर प्रॉपर्टी विल बी रेंटेड आउट एट अ वेरी ईज एंड अ कन्वीनियंट फैक्टर टू यू। सो दीज आर द 10 ऑफर्स जो एक्सक्लूसिवली अवेलेबल है इन 3 प्रॉपर्टीज में, सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 अगस्त तक। प्लीज डेट एक बार और अपने माइंड में रखिएगा, 10th August is the last date that we can avail these 10 good offers. So moving forward with the presentation, Puneet, can I have the next slide? So now, as a part, as we move forward into the presentation without taking much of your time, since we have covered these products and the offers, so now we would like to start with some good questions coming from your side. Jhumpa, if you can take this forward, please.
So I have to say, Sumit, it's almost like you have preempted my questions, audience questions. So that was a great overview. So, but of course, we will go into greater detail of all the aspects, you know, that all of you have touched upon. So I will start with the most important consideration for any home buyer, and that's location. Now, all of you have given us an overview of the locations of your projects, but Prashant, help my audience members, you know, sort of analyze, you know, how should they weigh the location advantages of all these projects? Just give us some insights.
Sure. So all three projects are strategically located. I'll start with Summit. Sumit already mentioned Summit is in Sector 104, which is connected with KMP, NH8, and Expressway, Dwarka Expressway as well. So this project is directly connecting you to South Delhi, West Delhi, near to airport as well. If I come to OSS, OSS is in Sector 88A, which is also connecting towards KMP and NH8, both the highways. Also Dwarka Expressway. So obviously the person who is working in Cyber or Hub or even in Delhi, they can easily reach their home without getting into much traffic, you know. Now if I talk about Sector 79, Godrej area, this project is directly connected towards SPR and NH8 both. And it's very near to Aravali's as well. You can actually have unhindered views of Aravali's from Godrej area. So all three projects are strategically best located. If I talk about social infrastructure around all these three projects, in between 4 to 5 kilometers, we have good schools, good hospitals, good retails, good malls as well. Yeah, you can continue. Yeah.
Priyanka, I'd like to move to another aspect, you know, of a home buyer's decision making, and that's amenities. Most home buyers place a lot of emphasis on amenities. So these three projects, how would you say the amenities stack up? Or what kind of amenities are on offer? Your audio. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi. I hope I'm audible now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Umar, for asking me such a beautiful question. Actually, ये जो आपने बात पूछी है, ये clients की सबसे बड़ी requirement है कि घर तो हम ले लेंगे, but amenities क्या है? Because मम्मी पापा तो पूरे दिन बाहर ही रहते हैं, working होते हैं आजकल ज़्यादा करके, but बच्चों के लिए amenities चाहिए, old parents के लिए चाहिए, आसपास का infrastructure कैसा? That is very important. So if I talk about OSS, so Jhumar, we have an exclusive tie-up with Ultimate Fitness Temple, which is an agency who makes sure that every weekend with different kind of activities in our society. So our FM team coordinates everything, like for kids, we have Zumba classes, painting classes, karate, and for senior citizens, we have yoga classes, and even so much of entertaining to, senior citizen zone. So we keep on doing a lot of activities for them also. We also have a special dedicated area in all of our projects for senior citizen people to relax and enjoy the harmony of this beautiful societies which Godrej construct. So as I told you about Godrej OSS, that we have a tie-up with Ultimate Fitness Temple. So we have a tennis court also, open gym hai, dedicated kids play area bhi hai, jogging, cycling track bhi hai. And if I talk about Summit, so Summit is like, it's a very big and huge society, and इसके अंदर 70% open and green area भी है. और इसके अलावा हम लोग इसके अंदर जो towers हमने construct किए हैं, जो वो इस तरीके से constructed है कि काफी spacious residence है ये, और standalone towers है, और जो इसका club size है, that is also 15,000 square feet. And mini theater है, इसके अलावा gym है, and same ways Arya maybe we are having a very big clubhouse, and approximately 7 to 8 हम लोगों ने especially kids के लिए playing areas बनाए हुए हैं, like football and basketball and all these kinds of things. So amenities की अगर हम बात करते हैं, so Godrej whenever decide to make any residence first we will take care of all these basic things which are much required for a person to move in. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
you know,
come up with
sorry.
You can come up with the next question.
Yeah. So Sumit, earlier you did mention, you know, you spoke about the mid-segment buyers. So tell me about the segments, you know, that these projects are catering to. Are all of these catering to mid-segment buyers, or there's a variation? Tell us about which segments you're catering to.
Thank you for the question, Jhumar. So as I mentioned earlier during the interaction or during the discussion part, हमारे तीनों projects ready to move in category में आते हैं. अब हम लोगों ने real estate में भी have seen an evolution coming up. Housing need थी. पहले हम सब दिल्ली में या कहीं ना कहीं अपने XYZ एरियाज में रहते थे किसी सिटी में. हमारे पेरेंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट आई कि हमें वी वर लुकिंग फॉर अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन, हम लोगों के लिए. सो दे मूव टू अ गेटेड कम्युनिटी कॉन्सेप्ट कि सिर्फ एक गेटेड कम्युनिटी हो, उसमें घर हो और सिक्योरिटी रहे, सेफ्टी रहे, सारी फैसिलिटीज रहे. लेकिन अब वो रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री इस तरीके से इवॉल्व हुई कि नाउ नॉट अ गेटेड कम्युनिटी इज नॉट द ओनली पैरामीटर व्हाट पीपल आर लुकिंग एट. हमारे कस्टमर्स की डिमांड होती है उसी कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर सारे कन्वीनियंस फैक्टर्स हों, लाइक योर शॉप्स, लाइक योर स्कूल्स, लाइक योर ATMs, लाइक योर क्लब हाउस, जिसके अंदर आपके सारे रिक्रिएशनल एंड स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज हों. So I would classify all three of these projects into luxury segment for our mid segment buyers. कि cost wise अगर हम देखेंगे, we have kept them economically priced, हम ताकि हमारा एक mid segment cater हो पाए. Amenities wise अगर मैं देखता हूँ तो ये सारे projects luxury amenities offer करते हैं. Now luxury is not only in terms of कि मैंने AC दे दिया, kitchen दे दिया या wardrobe दे दिया. Luxury मैं यहाँ associate कर रहा हूँ, जैसे प्रियंका ने बताया summit में 70% open spaces हैं, open and green areas. The same way Aria में it's more than 70-75%. Same for Oasis as well. हर एक तीनों projects में एक बहुत ही beautifully designed club house है. उस club house के अंदर सारे आपके recreational zones है. जैसे Summit में 32-seater private mini theater है, जो एक international brand है Prosella Audio, उनका designed movie theater है. So आप privacy में सोचिए आपके 10 गेस्ट हैं, 15 गेस्ट हैं, उनके साथ बुक करके मूवी स्क्रीन कर सकते हैं. सेम वेज आप ओएसिस में जाते हैं, देयर इज अ कार्ड्स रूम, क्लब रूम, देयर इज अ जिम, देयर इज अ योगा टेरेस. आप समझिए कि मतलब ओपन एरिया में एक फ्रेश एयर के साथ यू गेट टू मेडिटेट. सेम एज यू मूव टुवर्ड्स आरे, इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइंड स्विमिंग पूल, एक्सेस टू अ पूल जो कि आपका अरावलीज की तरफ फेस करता है. अ वेरी नाइस कैफे वेयरइन यू कैन जस्ट सिट, हैव अ सिप ऑफ योर हॉट कॉफी एंड एंजॉय द व्यूज ऑफ अरावलीज. तो हर प्रोजेक्ट में हमने वो सब चीजें ऐड की जो कस्टमर्स अपने रेगुलर लाइफस्टाइल में एस्पायर करता है और जो हमें चाहिए आज की डेट में. So I would say these are all targeted to mid segment with luxury classifications.
All right. And what about units? What kind of units are you offering? These are 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs. Give us an indication. What are the sizes, indicative prices? Because we're getting a lot of questions around those.
Sure. So if I talk about the configurations, हमारे पास projects में 2 bedroom plus study, जैसे Oasis की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, हमारे पास वहाँ 2 bedroom plus study की inventories हैं, which starts at about 92 lakhs all inclusive. और आप imagine करिए 92 lakhs में 2 plus study के अंदर आपको इतना कुछ मिल रहा है. You are getting imported marble as your flooring. You are getting modular kitchen with hob and chimney. You are getting an air conditioned apartments. All your bedrooms will have air conditioning. And a modern day architecture clubhouse with your segregated play areas. All these forms to be a part of Oasis. As we move towards Aria, हमारे पास वहाँ 3 bedroom plus utility. So utility, why we call it a utility? उसको आप चाहे study, servant, store कैसे भी use कर सकते हैं. For me, I am somebody who does not want to have a permanent servant. तो मैं उसको अपना study room बनाऊंगा, एक छोटा office setup बनाऊंगा. कोई उसको store room बनाएगा, क्योंकि आज की डेट में हमारे पास इतना सामान होता है जिसको storage के लिए space चाहिए. So it helps you that way. Price, it's again moderately priced at 1.22 CR, and these are again air conditioned apartments. जैसा प्रशांत ने बताया, आप imagine कीजिए कि आप जहाँ रह रहे हैं उसके आसपास 5 golf course हैं. So just imagine the views. आप जो भी apartment लेंगे, outside facing, inside facing, आपको green ही दिखेगा. You are not getting into a concrete jungle anywhere. Same अगर मैं summit की बात करता हूँ, हमारे पास 2 plus study, 3 bedroom, 3 plus utility और 4 plus utility के options हैं. और प्राइस वाइज अगर हम बात करें, दिस स्टार्ट्स एट 88 lakhs एंड गोज अप टू 1.6 CR. तो 90 लाख से लेके 1.6 CR के बीच में तीनों प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंदर रेंज है. एंड दीज आर ऑल वेल स्पेस्ड आउट अपार्टमेंट्स. हर एक में अच्छी स्पेसिफिकेशन, एज आई सेड, एयर कंडीशनिंग है, कहीं मार्बल है, कहीं किचन है. सो ऑल दीज आर अवेलेबल फॉर आवर कस्टमर्स.
All right. Now, Prashant, I have a very important question. If you speak to, home buyers, they'll tell you कि अरे पर सारे builders तो यही कहते हैं कि मेरे पास ही सब कुछ है. So my question is about competition analysis. Can you try and explain to us that where do your Godrej properties, where do these projects stack up as compared to the competitors?
So again, Sumit have already mentioned everything actually, that we are for a middle segment home buyer, but with a luxury segment, so the kind of amenities we are providing, it's top notch. If you compare with our competitors, they don't have that kind of facilities and amenities inside their project. They have, but few, not that much. We are giving more amenities, I'd say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Priyanka, I'm moving on to another question, that comes up a lot, and that is, between the comparison between Gurgaon and Noida. Now, obviously, Noida is a cheaper market, in that sense. So, the mentality sometimes is, okay, maybe I'll just commute a little bit more, but I'll get the same kind of home.
Right.
Cheaper. How would you sort of, analyze the two locations, and how would you compare, and what would you like to say?
Jhumar, if I compare the Gurgaon market from Noida, so there is a huge difference. Yes, लोगों को लगता है कि नोएडा cheap है, गुड़गांव थोड़ा महंगा है, but अगर हम बात करें in terms of social security, along with the lifestyle, Gurgaon is giving to the people. अगर हम बात करें तो गुड़गांव में जितनी भी MNCs हैं, so the kind of lifestyle and culture is developing in Gurgaon. First of all, that is I'll say on a higher note. As well as in terms of social security की हम बात करते हैं, so that is more safe and sound in Gurgaon. And the major issue which people have faced in Noida and burned their hand, that is related to the land issues. You know that the land in Noida is not freehold, so buyers cannot do the registry in one go. And जो buyers होते हैं वो हमारे इतने ज़्यादा innocent होते हैं, उन्हें इन चीज़ों की पूरी डिटेल नहीं पता होती है, और कई बार वो गलत हाथों में पड़ जाते हैं. और कहते हैं ना कि डेवलपर्स के बाद अपनी मनमानी करते हैं. I don't want to name any developer here, but we have seen in the past also, and everybody has seen that a lot of people have burned their hand, and the sentiments of the market and the people gone down because of these things only. Because Noida में land is the major issue, जो आपको गुड़गांव में कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. So first thing is that कि यहाँ आपको security not in terms of family या personal security है, in terms of जो आप खरीद रहे हैं उसमें भी आपको 100% सिक्योरिटी मिलती है. आप आज घर खरीदते हैं, रेडी टू मूव इन लेते हैं, विद इन अ मंथ्स टाइम आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हैं. So that is one of the best thing which Gurgaon is offering, as well as the lifestyle, as I said, कि MNCs जिस तरीके से डेवलप हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो फ्यूचर जो है वो हम अपनी फैमिली का या किड्स का ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं इन गुड़गांव.
Yeah. So, we've been talking a lot about these projects. I know that we've got a couple of project videos. I think, it would give our audience members a better sense of what these projects are if we can play these videos. So, Puneet, can we have the project videos, please? Thank you, Puneet. I think in the interest of time, I will start taking up the audience questions. So the first question that we have is, this is from Kunal Tyagi. He asks, if I book a unit right now, would I be offered any price discounts? Are you also offering any discounts on stamp duty or tax, etc.? Please elaborate. So I know we touched upon a few of the offers, but is there anything else that we can tell him, Priyanka? Any additional information we can share?
Jhumar, yes. Thank you to the person who has asked this question. Jhumar, actually stamp duty तो government charges होते हैं. So definitely registry है आपका या stamp duty है that you have to pay. It depending on the area to area, like what area is like charging how much जो भी government charges है. So if I talk about sector 88A where Godrej Oasis is situated, so we have 3, 4 and 5% is the stamp duty which comes on the basic sale value. So 3% if any female is going for the registration, 4% if it is a joint registration, and 5% if only a male person is doing the registry. So उस case में उसके according charges होते हैं. And as we are definitely giving some offers on our special units, which we have just released in the market. So as my colleague Sumit told that we are giving 10 kadam offer. So we are giving on the spot 10% discount along with a lot of different offers, like we are not charging PLC, preferred location charges we are not charging. So all the units, be it club facing or outer view, if like everybody is having their own choice. किसी को club facing अच्छा लगता है, किसी को एक long view अच्छा लगता है. So दोनों में अलग-अलग तरीके का PLC होता है. So we are not charging that PLC, and power backup installation जिससे बताया इन्होंने, that is also free. And generally developers charge car parking, but in case here when we are offering these offers here with these special units, so we are not charging any car parking for that, and bank loan processing is also free. So we are giving these kind of different offers along with this. But yes, stamp duty customer has to pay because that is need to be paid to the government. And also there is no discount on that as you asked me about. Yeah, so there is no discount on the stamp duty. It depends on area to area, like what is the stamp duty. As I said that it is 3, 4, 5, so it is like that. Some places it is 5, 6, 7, somewhere it is 6, 7, depending the area. Yeah.
I'm glad you've mentioned that, because we also see advertisements, where your stamp duty has been waived off, and I think that can be a little misleading. I'm glad you clarified that.
Yeah. Jhumar, क्या होता है? Generally people say like that, but ये नहीं हो सकता है possible because वो all inclusive price ही होता है. So हम लोग better है कि customer को पहले ही इसके बारे में बता देते हैं. और क्या होता है कि अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ all inclusive price और उसमें मैं आपको 5% लगा रही हूँ stamp duty या 3 या 4% कर रहे हैं, so that is not clear. So that is why we make it clear. If any female wants to go, then it is 3%. So वो एक benefit है. So वो separately आपको पता होना चाहिए. Otherwise मैं एक standard 4% भी equivalent करके उसको हम लोग अपने cost में include कर सकते हैं. But it's better always to keep it separate.
Yeah. Now, Subodh Kulkarni has another very important question. Sumit, I'd like you to take it up. So he wants to know about the kind of price appreciation that we can expect, in these projects in the next couple of years. So what can we tell Subodh?
So see, Jhumar, I'll just say thank you, Subodh, for the question. So in terms of price appreciation, आज की डेट में देखिए honestly कोई भी commit नहीं कर सकता कितना % बढ़ेगा. But there is a logical reason why the appreciation would happen. For example, मैं Godrej Summit और Godrej Oasis की बात करता हूँ. Those are very well connected to your Dwarka Expressway, which is an upcoming highway. आपका आज की डेट में connectivity है, but Delhi part और Gurgaon part. Delhi part is being built up by J. Kumar and Sons. Gurgaon part को L&T बना रहा है. And just imagine it's a 150-meter wide expressway, one of the widest in the country. जब वो बनेगा वो पहला माइलस्टोन आपका एप्रिसिएशन आने का. एक्सप्रेसवे बनते ही उसके साथ इतनी सारी कमर्शियल डेवलपमेंट्स, इंस्टीट्यूशनल डेवलपमेंट्स हैं जो बन रही हैं, which will be a second milestone for your appreciation. थर्ड माइलस्टोन जो आसपास का सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप हो चुका है, एंड मोरओवर ये सारा प्लान्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है. जैसे पुराना गुड़गांव या पुराना दिल्ली होता था तो वहाँ प्लानिंग नहीं थी डेंसिटी वाइज. सारी सेक्टर रोड्स वाइड हैं, 60 मीटर टू 84 मीटर वाइड सेक्टर रोड्स हैं. एक्सप्रेसवे 150 मीटर वाइड है. सेक्टर की डेंसिटी प्लान्ड है. यहाँ रेजिडेंशियल होगा, कमर्शियल हैज बीन रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू फ्रंट 100 मीटर बेल्ट ऑफ द एक्सप्रेसवे. तो उससे क्या कंजेशन क्रिएट नहीं होगा रेजिडेंशियल कमर्शियल के बीच. So these are all factors which will lead to an appreciation. सेम वेज अगर मैं आर्या 101 की बात करूं, उसकी लोकेशन उसका इतना बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि कौन नहीं चाहेगा उसका घर गोल्फ कोर्स के पास हो, एक बडिंग लोकेशन पे हो। मानेसर टोल प्लाजा मूव हो रहा है आगे, हम सब पढ़ते हैं, विद इन नेक्स्ट ईयर इट विल बी डन अप। सो जस्ट इमेजिन सिग्नल फ्री कनेक्टिविटी टू दिल्ली, गुड़गांव एंड अदर एरियाज एज वेल। तो ये सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं जो प्राइस को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे आने वाले 1 से 2 साल के अंदर, जैसे जैसे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप होता जाएगा।
So हम लोग prices की बात कर रहे हैं, amenities की बात कर रहे हैं. So now Kaustubh Sharma has like a associated question with that. So he wants to know that with all these kind of amenities that you're talking about, what are the kind of maintenance charges that they will have to pay. Sumit, maybe you'd like to take this question up.
Sure. So Jhumar, आज की डेट में जैसे समिट की अगर मैं बात करूं, there are close to about 400 odd families जो वहाँ ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं, रिजाइड कर रहे हैं, हमारा क्लब सारी चीजें रनिंग है, फैसिलिटीज। So given all these things in mind, we are charging about 3.15 rupees per square feet per month plus GST. So roughly 3.60 से 3.70 per square feet all inclusive आता है with GST. And more or less 4 rupees के 3 to 4 rupees आपको majorly developments में मिलेगा with GST. 3 to 4 rupees per square feet के आसपास है जो आपकी normal maintenance cost है in
All right. Prashant, there's a question about home finance. So Munish Dwivedi asks, that which banks have you tied up with to provide housing finance for units in your project, and what are the interest rates that these banks are currently charging? So what kind of types could you tell us, please?
So our projects are approved with all the nationalized bank and private banks as well. You name the bank like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Allahabad Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. All our projects are approved from all the banks. If any housing bank which is not impaneled, please let us know. We'll impanel that as well. But as far as our projects are concerned, ready to move in projects, each and every project is impaneled with all nationalized and private top private banks. If I talk about interest rate, right now the prevailing rate which is going on in market is from 7% to 9.5 to 10%, depending on bank to bank. And again, if I talk about interest rate is a bank part, but yes, as a offer, if we talk about offer which we are running right now, 10 कदम offer, उसमें एक offer ये भी है कि loan की जो processing fee है, whatever the processing fee is, we are waiving that off. For an individual, if they are taking a loan, if an individual client is taking a loan, we are waiving that off. And we have a tie-up with banks for that.
All right. So there's one more question, that Priyanka, maybe you could take this up. So I know during the 10 Kadam offer, you mentioned things about power backup, etc. So Amardeep Singh Bakshi asks, that housing societies in Gurgaon often face power and wattage issues. So what arrangements have been made in the projects to deal with these issues? Now, I think this is a very important question. So what can we tell?
Yeah. Thank you, Bakshiji, for asking me this question. Bakshiji, I totally agree with your concern. I know ये एक बहुत major issues है. It's not even any particular developer or builder का issue. It's a major issue that water is one of the concern in Gurgaon, water or electricity, if I say. So I want to tell you about Godrej. When Godrej develop any kind of project, we first ensure to take all the necessary approvals on place. And so this kind of issues you will never face in a property if you're buying with Godrej. And coming to your question, I would like to tell you that for water, we have a water treatment plant inside the projects. So we ensure safe and sound drinking. And also we have a government electricity in the project. But at the same time, we are keeping solar electricity backup system also for emergency services, which add on the less consumption of the electricity than usual, along with the DG electric charges, which starts from approximately 20 to 21 rupees per unit. But we also have a government electricity, which is like, the rates, it is 6 rupees per unit. So we are having government electricity on place, but apart from that, we keep all the things aligned so that any of the customer does not face any kind of problem during their staying and living here in the societies.
Yeah.
So we have all the things on place, Jhumar, for that.
All right. So panelists, we are running out of time. So there's time to just one last question. So I'm going to take up Madan Khetarpal's question. Prashant, maybe you could answer this. So he asks, that in most cases, the post-sale services are quite weak. Can you tell us about the kind of post-sale services that you offer to your clients? On that aspect, how are you different from any other builder? So I think this is a very fitting last question for the discussion.
Actually, very important question, Jhumar, because obviously sales is important, but yes, post-sale service is also very much important. So in terms of Godrej, I'll tell you what we do. We have a dedicated relationship manager to each customer. So after logging in sales, just after logging in, if that customer is a domestic buyer, we'll introduce that customer to a relationship manager. We'll share a number of that relationship manager and a mail ID to that customer. If it's a NRI, within 2 hours, there's a call we'll make to that customer and introduce that relationship manager to the customer. This is your relationship manager. And from now on, for a complete project cycle, I'm not only talking about your ready to move in properties, I'm also talking about properties which are under construction. If a customer buys in Godrej, there's a dedicated relationship manager which is assigned to that customer. And if they have any queries, they can talk to that customer anytime. They have a proper escalation system. There is a proper escalation system. If relationship manager will not reply within 24 hours, that particular mail will escalate to next level. So we haven't seen this kind of escalation in Godrej because we have very competent relationship managers in Godrej.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, panelists. A lot of information was handed out to our audience members. Audience, thank you for sticking on with us. That's all that we have time for today, but we do hope to see you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
Thank you so much, Jhumar.
Thank you so much. Stay safe.